Now, meaning अब. Okay, example is you must do it now. Ago, पहले. Okay, example is long ago there was a king named Robert Bruce. Before, पहले. Okay, let's see example. The train had left the station before we reached. Today, meaning आज. Okay, example is I want to go to school today. Tomorrow, meaning कल. Example, he will come here tomorrow. Tonight, meaning आज रात. Okay, example is here I will watch a serial on TV tonight. Last night, meaning कल रात. Example, where had you gone last night? Often, अक्सर, frequently, बार बार. Example is here, okay? She often goes to her friend's house. Next one is, he frequently comes to our house. Always, meaning हमेशा. Ever, meaning कभी. Example is here, always try to be sincere. Second is, have you ever gone to London? Never, कभी नहीं. Forever, हमेशा के लिए. Example is here, okay? I never saw a camel with two humps. He left his native land forever.